Baboy. Please stand up. Baboy. Okay, so now let's see what is it. Another. What do you think it is?
Horse.
I need a hand. Please don't answer in chorus. Yes.
Sheep.
Huh? Eagle. Do you think it is an eagle? Thank you.
Horse.
It is a horse. Next. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? I need a hand. Yes. Please stand up. Quiet. Huh? Got it? It is a cat? Very good. It is a cat. Next. What do you think it is? I need a hand. Please don't answer in chorus. Yes. Dog? Is it a dog?
No.
Next. What do you think it is? Yes. What do you think it is? Dog? Okay, sit down. Do you think it is a dog?
No.
Really? What do you think it is? It is a Okay, did you enjoy our Energizer? Did you enjoy our Energizer? Yes. Okay. So before so much for that, please sit down.